thank you everyone for surviving the whole day. I hope you enjoyed the whole session. Before closing, I just want to thank all the speakers and all the keynote speakers who have been here, and you gave your nice presentations and, of course, entertained all the questions. Before we close, I just want to thank my co-chair, Lee, who couldn't be here because of visa issues, but I hope, I hope we didn't feel his absence because of Bozen, who stepped up, and all his 3 students here who actually helped us to organize the whole thing. And I would like to thank all the program committee members who put a lot of effort to review all the papers and set up the whole program. I think that's all I wanted to say. Thank you, everybody, and we hope to see many of you next year. Thank you.